think the most common misperception I get is that intellectual property doesn't matter to certain types of companies, when in reality, I think it makes up some component of all companies, whether it's just a trademark, whether it's trade dress, trade secret, whether it's sort of more hardcore patents. And every company has some type of IP needs, and the sooner you get a handle on it, the better it is. Because if you publish things too early, or you publicly disclose or make sales and then later try to get a patent, it can hamstring. One of the greatest obstacles is the timeline. You know, the payment cycles and the inertia tends to make things take longer than expected. So if a startup thinks something's going to take 6 months, sometimes it can be a year. If they think it's going to be 1 year, sometimes it can be 2 or 3. So I think the biggest obstacle is patience, and knowing sort of those slow pay cycles and that inertia can make things more difficult, can make it a challenge. Yes, it's possible that you might get acquired someday by a much larger company, but you should expect that you might need to be your own solo company for at least 10 years. It's not like a house. A lot of these companies, particularly in the life science space, they're hard to flip, and people want to see a track record, and to really get the traction you need is difficult to do in 2 or 3 years, and is usually more over a 5 or 10 year timeline.